thanks for taking a look at our Biosphere link lesson activity. We're going to do a quick overview. We see some general instructions followed by the objectives, and then a meme activity to engage the student, followed by a phenomenon activity, and then background information. They have to take a look at a diagram, decode some of the information before doing a vocabulary check. Now this is unit vocabulary, so it spans a couple of these lessons, designed to just keep the student engaged in the vocabulary as a unit as opposed to a single lesson. Then there's some introduction and instructional videos followed by questions to keep the student engaged. There's some Biosphere 2 and then some other Biosphere type structures to look at around the world before we go into some seasonal changes and major Biosphere issues like CO2 levels, etc. Once they reach the checkpoint, they can save the lesson at this point and return later, or continue working on the Internet Research Minute. This one happens to examine the 10 most extreme forms of life on the planet. And then there's a spreadsheet graph activity where they will collect data from the internet and produce a bar chart on species diversity. That will be uploaded here before they complete the reflection on their learning. The only teacher graded activities are the short answer for the meme, the graph, and then the reflection. Everything else is self-grading. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in this link lesson or any other, please check the description below for a link to my TPT store. Thanks.